Hello guys, it's City Boss again. We are doing some packs. We got 2 million and a quarter, about like that, and we are doing some. We are doing one draft, and then we do some packs. So fast on this. Fast now, come on. Oh, Lukaku. Okay, so we are doing a team from Premier League. Okay. Oh, Kante. Not a bad start. Waka. Aspilicueta. And show. No, they show. Come on, show. Okay, we need right. Oh, okay, let's see here. Nothing. Come on. Come on. Okay, we got that one here. 188. Okay, not bad. Now we need to make some rating, but keep the chemistry. Come on, 89. Come on, it really. Morris. Morris there. Cavani. I just hate Cavani. I don't know why, but I hate him. But I put him for rating. Oh, Isco, Francisco. Oops, doesn't matter. Marcelo. He was transferred, it seems, but Martinez. Come on, come on, come on. The pie. Oh, but the pie it's so good. The pie, the pie, the pie. 190. What? Yes, 189. Now it is go here. And with this guy. And okay, here. And with this. Oh, what happened? Oh, it happened with 83, the highest. 190. Yes, it's our team. Come on. Sim draft. We can do it. Ooh. 190. Let's see if we can get some money out of this. Okay, versus Red Bull Salzburg. Oh. Not a bad start for the Salzburg, but we gain position and control earlier. So yeah, 8-1. They were 1-0, but come on. Oh, Celtics will beat them 6-0, maybe 6-0. Come on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I said 6-0. That's so cool. Okay, FC Porto. Oh, what? What? Squad. Let's make some changes. Oh, come on. And like that, yeah, that's what I can do. Come on, start game. Oh really? Oh really? Oh really? How did they beat us? Premium goal pen. I don't care. I don't care. Okay, now let's make some packs. Oh, come on, a good start. Spanish center back. Ramos? No, Nacho. Mm, Nacho, come on, Nacho, really sell or sell all. I don't care. I don't sell all. Yes, Spanish goalkeeper. Adan. Adan. Yes, yes, yes. Adan. Well done. How much is Adan? How much is he? Ooh, 400. I'll just sell all. I don't care. Come on. Then Kante, yes, it's Kante. It's Kante. What? Isn't he 88 now? What? Really? He's 88.
Hey, look what I've just.
Okay, that's so bad. Okay, we are back. Come on. CDM. Monaco. Fabinho. But now Fabinho is at Liverpool, so Damn. Sell all. I'll just sell all. Just it's if it's my favorite players. Okay. Oh, bless me. 84, really? 84? 84? This is a waste of money if you get like over, like if you get lower than 86, it's a waste of money. Come on. Sid Vertonghen. Yeah. Yeah, this is still a waste of money. Come on, come on, come on. Give me, give me give me a legend. A legend. Since the bag. Glick? Yes, it's Glick. 86 Glick. Not bad. Oh, I forgot to sell them, but doesn't matter now. Oh yes, come on. Brazilian striker. Who the hell is that? Who the hell is that? I don't know. Who is that now? Who is that? Oh, Belgian. It's Martins or yeah, it's Martins. Left finger. Oh.